Afternoon, everyone. I'm going to show you all a quick tutorial on how to create folders to where the students can complete tasks at individual times. And you can see who is doing what. So what I'm going to do is click on one of the folders that is going to be deemed necessary for them to complete through their priority standards, and that is safety and sanitation. Within this folder that I already had in there, I just put into a subfolder just so I have it and just unpublished it. So what I want the kids to do are these 4 items within there. Once they meet that, for the most part, they'll be meeting the safety and sanitation priority standard. So from here, what I need my kiddos to do is complete these in sequential order. So what you're going to do is you're going to click Options, Student Completion. And I want them to do this in order. So just click that checkbox if it's not clicked yet and add requirement. Go to just your Dropbox. And what I want them to do first is the PowerPoint. So within the PowerPoint assignment that I posted, I gave them directions of what I want them to do. So within that, it's going to be whether or not they did it. And you can see their progress from there. And what I want them to do with the PowerPoint, I simply just want them to view it and go over the materials just to understand it. If you want, you can have them comment and make a submission with some sort of assignment within it. That's up to you. The next thing I want them to do is create a short PSA. And the kids already do this in my class. I just made it different. So I just made the directions different. They'll be submitting a video of some sort. So in the Dropbox, I want them to make a submission. So I'm going to click Submit or make a submission. The next thing I want them to do, I want them to cook at home. So hopefully they're doing something like that at home right now. And what we usually have them do is tacos for one of their first labs. So they can do something else that relates to cross-contamination. It just depends on what they have. And I put that in the directions in the assignment too. What I want them to do with that, I want them to view the taco recipe. And then how I know they did it is through the reflection. So in the reflection, they have to submit some sort of photo to show or a video embedded within there. Up to them, they have the choice. So from there, I want them to make a submission to show their evidence of what they have done. So I click Save. So right now, it's going to say that it needs to be viewed, submitted, viewed, submitted. And what you can see on your part is student progress. So if I click on student progress, I can see where my students are at with it. All of my foods classes, so all 3 of them. So I can see what they have done. And you can see their progress. So you can set the date and times of when this is due. So let's say week 1, you want them to do this, and you just give them the date and times that you want to do. I hope this helps out a little bit, and you can see the student progress. This is what I'm going to be utilizing. If you have questions, just let me know. This is Stephanie Campbell recording this right now. Email me if you have any questions or need help with this, but I hope this screencast helps out a little bit of getting kids in order during this time.